Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are absolutely decoding the chaotic, crowded, and honestly, pretty confusing world of side hustles. Look, if you've spent literally any time online lately, your feed has probably been completely flooded with people promising that you can make thousands of dollars a week from your couch with zero effort. Well, we're going to cut right through all that noise today and look at what the actual data and the experts really say. Okay, let's dive into this. $550 billion. Let that sink in for a second. That is the massive, staggering global value of the gig economy today. I mean, with numbers that large, it's absolutely no wonder everyone is trying to grab a piece of the pie, right? The stakes are incredibly high, and the sheer volume of capital flowing through independent digital work is completely reshaping how we think about our careers. But with all that massive growth comes a really critical question. How do you actually separate the real, viable opportunities from those fast money myths? Because let's face it, the sheer volume of online get-rich-quick advice is just overwhelming. It's like navigating a minefield out there. You want to generate multiple streams of income. We all do. But you absolutely cannot afford to waste your time or your hard-earned money on things that simply do not work. To make sense of all this, we'll be using a tiers of hustle framework. First, the side hustle reality. 2, traps you should avoid. 3, Tier 1, quick cash. 4, Tier 2, selling your skills. 5, Tier 3, scalable businesses. And finally, 6, keys to hustle success. Section 1, the side hustle reality. Navigating the noise. Before we start looking at specific gigs, we have to demystify this massive landscape. The core philosophy here is actually really simple. You don't need shortcuts. You just need work that pays fairly for your skills and your time. The internet pushes easy income every single day, but most of it totally fails the second you actually try it. So we're strictly focusing on realistic, structured paths to extra income here. No magic pills, just the truth.
Section 2, traps you should avoid, protecting your time and your wallet.
And this brilliantly illustrates the absolute villains of our explainer, the huge time wasters. Let's contrast the viral promises with reality, okay? The promise is always easy money from your phone. But the reality? Online surveys often pay less than $2 an hour once you factor in all those screening rejections. $2. And MLMs, multi-level marketing companies, the ones that often require upfront fees, the data shows over 99% of participants actually lose money, literally lose money. Skip these entirely. Section 3, quick cash, low barrier entry points. All right, on to the first legitimate tier of side hustles. These are your immediate income-generating gigs requiring minimal upfront setup. You don't need a fancy degree or special training to get started. But, and this is a really big but, you are strictly trading your time for money. It's incredibly easy to jump into this tier, but your earning ceiling is firmly, definitively capped by the number of physical hours you can actually work in a day. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, it's things like user testing platforms where you're getting paid, say, $10 for 20 minutes of your time. Or firing up food delivery apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash on a Friday night for that ultimate schedule flexibility. It's fast cash for sure, but just remember the golden rule of Tier 1. The second you stop working, the money stops flowing entirely. Section 4, Tier 2, selling your skills, upgrading your hourly rate. To break out of that Tier 1 ceiling, you've got to level up. Welcome to Tier 2. Now, you are still trading time for money here, but you're trading specialized knowledge or services for a much, much higher hourly rate. You are moving way beyond those minimum wage tasks. Yes, obviously, this requires a bit more elbow grease to set up. You might have to build a small portfolio or market yourself out there on freelance platforms, but the financial return per hour you invest, it is vastly improved. The sources we looked at list out some incredibly diverse Tier 2 options. You could do bookkeeping for small businesses using pretty basic software. You could become a certified loan signing agent. Or you can tap into these rapidly growing, very modern roles. Things like being a virtual assistant, acting as a website accessibility tester to ensure companies are meeting disability laws, or, and this is a big one right now, using AI tools to dramatically speed up your output as a freelance copywriter. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the immediate jump in earning potential when you leverage those specific skills. A Pinterest virtual assistant is making $15 to $20 an hour. A bookkeeper, they can pull $30 to $50. And a website accessibility tester can make anywhere from $50 to $100 an hour. Specializing literally multiplies your value in the gig economy. Section 5, Tier 3, Scalable businesses. Building cash-flowing assets. Okay, but what if you want to completely sever that connection between your time and your income? Like, entirely. Well, as entrepreneur Dave Burgee points out, Tier 3 ventures require a massive shift in mindset. You have to move from just having ideas to taking relentless action. These businesses, they absolutely do not make money quickly, but the long-term result is a scalable asset that could actually eventually replace your day job. So what are these scalable models we're talking about? It could be a highly targeted niche blog, one that might take a solid year of grinding before it hits $1,000 a month in ad and affiliate revenue. It could be a SaaS, software as a service business, built entirely with modern no-code tools, which is wild that we can even do that today. Or it could be highly targeted e-commerce, like high-ticket drop shipping. Let's move to and see how this builds with a real-world case study. $300,000. That was the year-one gross revenue generated by a guy named Rene Delgado. His secret, while working a full-time job, he built a high-ticket dropshipping store selling one very, very specific thing: bounce houses. Yes, bounce houses. Operating at a solid 12 to 15% profit margin, he basically built a true empire right on the side. It's incredible. Section 6. Keys to hustle success. Making the right choice for you. So the crucial point is this. We've covered everything from food delivery to full-blown software businesses. But before you start any of them, run them through this ultimate evaluation framework. Ask yourself, does it pay at least $25 per hour? Does it leverage skills you already have, saving you tons of ramp-up time? And honestly, most importantly, can one task or client repeat? Stop constantly hunting for the next gig and start building recurring value. All right, you now have the map. You know the traps to dodge, the quick cash options, the high hourly skills, and the wildly scalable assets. The gig economy is massive, it's out there waiting, but it only rewards the people who actually take informed action. So, which tier of the hustle are you ready to conquer today? Get out there, be strategic, and start building.